Hello everybody and welcome to today's Hunter Community Languages Terrific Teaching Series. My name's Cara Matheson. I'm the Education Officer with Hunter Community Languages, and today we're going to spend a little bit more time working on Google Classroom. We're going to do two things. We'll create an assignment so that students can submit their work for marking, and then we're going to mark the students' work and return it to them. So here we are back in our Google Classroom for Japanese Class 1. The Kanji Workbook is there for them to use, and it's time for me to set them some work to do at home, which I want them to send to me for marking between classes. So when I go into my Kanji Workbook, I scroll through and I see that we are up to this page here, page 4. So this week I think I'd like them to do page 4 and page 5 for homework. So let's go back to the classroom and we're going to go into the week 6 work. We're going to create an assignment. An assignment is just a way of telling the students what work you want them to do, what work you want them to send to you for marking. So we'll call this Kanji practice, and here in the instructions I'll say do pages 4 to 5 and submit. And then over here I'm not actually going to mark this, it's going to be ungraded work because it's just practice. The due date, I'm going to make this due, today's the 4th, I'm going to make this due on the 11th, and this is going to sit in week 6 work. Okay, now I can assign that work. So now we're back at the classroom, and you can see up the top here is the class materials, and now we've got week 6 work, and for this week the work is Kanji practice, do pages 4 and 5 and submit. So now I'm just going to pop off and send in some student work, and then I'll show you how to mark it. This is class 1. And I have a student who's joined the class now and submitted their work for me to mark. So I go to grades, and here's the student, and here's the work that they've submitted. So I click on these little 3 dots here and view the submission. And here's their work. Now the student hasn't really done the work, we're just pretending. And one of the good things about Google Classroom is that the teacher can make comments on different parts of the work for the student. So for example, imagine that this is my writing. I can highlight the part that I want to comment on and click on this little plus here, and then write the comment to the student about that little part of their work. I could say, make the U smaller, and comment. And then here I could write something about this, say, very nice sizing, comment. So I can comment on particular parts of the work by highlighting that part that I want to comment on and then writing my little comment. And then over here I can write a comment that's about the overall work, which the student can see without actually opening the document to look for the comments when they receive the work back. So here I can say, very accurate, beautiful work. Okay, so I've given an overall comment. I've commented on a couple of particular parts of the work, and then I go up here and click return. Return. And now the student will receive an email telling them that little ping is me receiving an email telling me that my work has been marked and returned to me. So that brings us back to a little recap, the two things that we were going to do together today. Create an assignment so that the students can submit their work for marking. And then as the teacher, mark the work, adding comments to the work and giving an overall comment and returning the work to the student.